Adqvalve double fork 4-eccentric metal phase butterfly control valve. Adqvalve Flow Control Industry Group Limited is an international advanced technology industrial automation fluid control company. Professional R&D, design, manufacturing, strictly metal surface seal, eccentric butterfly control valve, spherical control valve, double shift fork, pneumatic actuator, electro-hydraulic actuator and control system. This high-efficiency and energy-saving butterfly control valve is mainly used in oil refining, chemical, rubber, ethylene, cold chemical, electric power, polysilicon, chlor-alkali, and other industries. It can be used for the strict shut-off and smooth adjustment of high-temperature and low-temperature media. It also has special functions such as anti-surge, one-way damping, electro-hydraulic control, and the PSA special program control. In 2013, the technology was upgraded to 4-eccentric metal phase butterfly valve. The structure of the sealing ring changes from an ellipse to a perfect circle, and the sealing performance is better. The sealing ring can be freely replaced. The surface finish of the sealing surface reaches level 9. The valve shaft adopts anti-lock structure, which has better safety performance. The inner cavity of the valve adopts a streamlined design, which can be adjusted smoothly and reduce noise. Achieve two-way sealing and meet ANSI 6 sealing standards. Adqvalve double fork actuator. Adopt double shift fork, double piston, double spring structure. The cylinder body adopts Adqvalve hard oxidation sealing treatment technology, which is resistant to various environmental corrosion. Strong versatility can be matched with different valve bodies. Adqvalve butterfly valve have advanced manufacturing technology, precise processing, reliable sealing performance, no sliding wear, and has many application examples to replace ball valves and gate valves in a wide range. Adqvalve, all for flow safety.